Hey folks, I'm Walter, and staffing issues continue in the cruise line industry. Princess announced that the restart of the Diamond Princess, scheduled to start on September 2nd, will be postponed. In fact, they canceled the first 11 cruises all the way through November 13th. These included the Mexican Riviera, the California coast, and even going out to Hawaii. If you have been affected, you've probably gotten a letter already from Princess outlining the options that you have. Now, unlike some of the other cruise lines, Princess still does not have their entire fleet back up online. The Diamond and the Sapphire are the last two ships to come online. So Diamond was supposed to start September 2nd. Sapphire is still scheduled for September 24th. Now it's looking like the Diamond will come back online in like maybe around Thanksgiving time is what it's looking like. So unfortunately, staffing issues still continuing to play a part in the cruise line industry. Were you on one of those 11 voyages that were canceled? And if so, what are you going to do next? I'd love to hear in the comments.